Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasser the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. Guys, do you like the sound of this mechanical keyboard but you have a simple boring keyboard? So in this video I am going to explain how you can convert your boring simple keyboard into a mechanical keyboard. So stay tuned and keep watching this video up till end. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, open web browser, click and search for Mac Vibes. Click to open the first link. This is the basic interface of the web page. Go to the downloads and download the version according to your system. You can choose for Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Because I am using Windows operating system, so I am going to download the latest version 2.3.4. So this is the approximate size 61.8 MB. Click to start download and you can see the download is started and it will take some time depending the speed of your network. So I am going to fast forward this procedure and you can see the download is completed and click to open or to install. The installation is completed. Click finish to exit. And now the application is opened automatically. And these are some of the sounds. You can select some of the sounds which you want to. And now you can see that the application is responding according to the mechanical keyboard. The sound appears to be the sound of a mechanical keyboard. You can change the sounds. So I think that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.